Okay, the second issue is like this is continuation from the previous video. Second issue is that my tank is actually vertical, but definitely you can see the axis which is inclined. So the impeller is inclined at the some degrees. So we change the angle of the our impeller. So now the next task would be that we need to align the our outer domain also with the inner domain. So problem is that if we made the geometry of impeller from the scratch and we have just changed the orientation, then this would have been easy. But now because we already made a domain, so then now we have to align the domains to each other. Okay, otherwise. Where inner domain is in the tank will not be at the location after moving the inner domain from the its original position where we made the both domains. Okay, so let me show you that what I mean by this thing. This is actually the geometry, and the inner domain is should be here where we have this. These are interface boundary conditions for the outer domain which is stationary, so they are going to make interfaces here. Now if I again I will be saving this file with some new name. So this is the rotated y-axis. Okay. So I'm going to from assembly menu. I'm going to click on the file, and I'm going to inner rotated y-axis. So I'm going to open that file. Okay. So you can see that the both of them are not aligned. So first, let me hide few surfaces here. Now the tank is straight and our geometry is straight, but issue is that this is not the proper point. The point is that the impeller was inclined at some angle, so we need to match them. Okay, so we have the one is align condition. So I'm going to first align the my tank with my impeller geometry. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use axis of the tank or the outer domain which is stationary, and I will align that one with my tank my inner domain axis. Okay, like this. Okay. The next thing is that I want to tangent the two surfaces. So I will use the first geometry I want to move, and then I will use the second surface which is on the our reference. Now they perfectly aligned at the required location. So now I can actually delete my the this geometry, inner geometry, and save the new geometry at the required location. Okay. Now actually what happened is that now the complete tank is now rotated by that angle. Okay. It means that now our axis is oriented along the y-axis. So when we work in the fluent, I'm working here. So when you work in the fluent, so I can only give the my y-axis as angle of the rotation. So this will make the things very easy. So I hope that it is clear now.